Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our morning time update. Well, Vietnam morning time update, guys. So good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are. And I'm going to talk to you about Bitcoin. I'm going to talk to you about Shiba Inu. I'm going to talk to you about a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm going to tell you why I think that, I'm still bullish. I'm going to show you why I'm still bullish. I know that a lot of you out there are thinking that things are not so good right now. We're seeing that the markets are down very slightly. But I'm going to show you something that's really going to blow your mind, that between January and 18th, we could see a huge reversal coming for Bitcoin. And if that happens, that is going to take up all the altcoins, all the Shiba Inu coins, and all the Dogecoin up to the moon, guys. So get ready, guys. Get ready. Something amazing is going to happen on January 8th to the 18th of January. You got to watch this video to the end. And remember, this video is not financial advice. This is only the OG expressing his opinion. And this video is for education and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So let's jump down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG in-house. Woo! Let's get it, guys. So guys and gals, we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is slightly down, Ethereum is up, and it's a bit of a mixed bag overall. We're seeing that right now the overall markets are down just slightly, guys. They're down like 0.2%, so it's a bit of a nothing burger right now in the house, guys. We're still seeing that the OG gaming portfolio, remember this is not financial advice, is still up 29%, so we're about $69,000 in profit, guys, and we're at 310. Guys, go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, YB in the house, guys. Let's get it. And we're seeing the fear and greed is unchanged from yesterday, so we can see that everything is just kind of going flatline, and we should see this horizontal trend continuing for most of the altcoins, most of Ethereum, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and this is going to continue between and should end on January 8th or January 18th. We should see a huge breakout to the upside for Bitcoin, and that's going to take all the other altcoins up with it, guys. So this is really good news, and we're going to talk about that. We're going to jump into some of the TA. We're going to talk about illiquid supply and all of this good stuff, guys. So if you're a Debbie Downer on crypto right now, you guys, this video is going to change the way you think and what you think. And remember, the fear and greed is a contradictory indicator. So when the fear is going crazy, it means that people are still buying. And right now, you guys have to understand, of all the Bitcoin out there, only 6.32% is actually in circulation on exchanges, guys. And remember that 6.32% of Bitcoin that's still available on exchanges is what is driving the fundamentals and price. The rest of the Bitcoin is either held in private hands on hardware wallets, and there's been a small percent that's been lost, right? Or Satoshi's Bitcoin that have been lost or out there, guys. So that being said, guys, let's jump into it. So we're seeing right now, this is from Yuri in the house, and he says my bias has been bullish, and he's expecting a blow off top in Q2 or Q1 or Q2 2022. But I cannot ignore this chart. Now, if we don't get a huge DXY dump, and the DXY is the basket of US dollars that's, the basket of dollars that are correlated to a basket of other currencies. And typically, when we see the DXY go down, that is usually a very bullish signal for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will absolutely go up, guys. So we're seeing right now, we're expecting, as you can see, every time the US dollar goes down, we get a huge top. US dollar goes down, huge top. US dollar goes down, huge top. So it looks like here, this is the projected outcome of where we could see ourselves coming in Q1, Q2, getting this huge blow off top. And if the US dollar does go down, and we expect it to go down, it should be going down, because inflation is definitely fueling the DXY to go down. We should see definitely Bitcoin start to break out, guys. So this is good news in the house. Now, this is from Matthew Hayward, and he's saying that the RSI momentum and price are already at key areas on the daily time frames currently, and we're seeing that the Bitcoin price retest the breakout. So we could see that we should be retesting a breakout soon. RSI retest a breakout and bounce. Momentum indicators close to retesting the breakout. So we have these three indicators that are saying that we should be poised and Bitcoin should be ready and starting to make that breakout soon. So if we have the RSI, the momentum, and we have the DXY dumping, and that's what we need, we should see Bitcoin breaking out to the upside. And if Bitcoin breaks out to the upside, that's going to take all the altcoins, it's going to take Shiba Inu, it's going to take Dogecoin, it's going to take everything up to the moon, guys, or somewhere close to the moon, guys. So how long are we going to expect this whole consolidation or this range boundness to continue? I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to tell you the exact days when we can expect these tops to be coming in, guys. So this is good in the house, guys. So this is the Newpol, guys. And if we talk about the update on Bitcoin Newpol, it's retested this trend line since his original tweet. And we've seen that every time that we are in this phase here, you see, every time the Newpol goes down to this phase, it's usually followed by a breakout to the upside, So we're seeing right now that we could be seeing another breakout to the upside as per the Newpol indicator. So this is good news, guys. So the net unrealized profit and loss is at a critical juncture right now, at a critical line, and this is often indicative of us breaking out to the upside. So right now we're in the optimism phase right now, and then we should get into the belief, and then we should start moving on up, guys. So this is good news, huge news in the house, guys. So this is from Plan C, and what he's saying is, convince me I'm wrong, all input welcome, guys. So guys, what do you think? Do you think that the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is getting lower and lower, and we're seeing more of a supply shock? So high liquid supply divided by illiquid supply is a higher signal, better scarcity metric than balance on exchanges. So we're seeing that if we look at all the exchanges, the amount of Bitcoin out there is going down, down, and that's being confirmed, guys. That's absolutely being confirmed by these two different measures, guys, and those two measures are the highly liquid to illiquid supply, and we can see that everything is going down, down. So you know, the price of Bitcoin is really driven by scarcity, and as we have less and less Bitcoin on exchanges, this should start to make the Bitcoin price go up, guys. And a lot of you are thinking, well, if only 6.32% of the Bitcoin is on exchanges, why is the price not moving? Well, that's fundamental. We're still waiting for the retail investors to FOMO in. They're still sitting on the sidelines, and that's absolutely going to happen. But we're still seeing more institutions buying up Bitcoin on the OTC, and that is also what is helping to drive this scarcity, guys. So this is really important news in the house. So right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin, and this is a signal to noise, and this is really important, guys. We're seeing illiquid supply has picked up strongly, which tells us that this dip is getting further accumulated by longer-term focused investors. So this is a very healthy sign, and we can see that the number of holders is increasing, and we are going to see that Bitcoin is going to break out. We're going to have a blow off top in Q1 and Q2, and this whole bull run has been extended, guys. So when are we expecting to see Bitcoin make some moves, guys? Well, this is it, guys. Let's get it, guys. So here we go. You can see here that typically this is a BTC dip durations, and this goes back all the way to 2019. And one thing you need to look at before we get into the details is you need to look at the trajectory of the Bitcoin fractal. And you can see, if you zoom out, guys, you can see that Bitcoin has been consistently going up since 2019. Sure, there's been peaks, there's been valleys, but it's consistently been going on. And millionaires have been made by one simple rule. The simple rule is hodl, be patient, guys. So here we go. We're seeing that typically during bull run dips last from 5 to 20 days, and the average is around about 11 days. Non-bull run short dips average around 20 to 35 days, and that is an average of 30 days. The non-bull run dips usually last from 45 to 70 days. So based on this, and the current dip has already lasted 52 days, guys. The current dip has already lasted 52 days, so we could see that we should see a trend reversal happening as early as January 9th or as late as January 8th. So these are very key indicators. And on these dates, guys, on January 9th to January 18th, this is when you're going to see a huge reversal for Bitcoin, and that's going to take the crypto markets up. That's going to take Bitcoin to the moon. That's going to take Doge, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, DOT. All the layer 1 and layer 2s are also going to go in tandem as Bitcoin makes this massive move. So this is huge news, guys. What do you think, guys? Is this great news? Is this great news, guys? Smash the likes, subscribe. You know you want it. Let's get it in the house right now, guys. Some other stuff that's coming in right now. We can see that the total Bitcoin supply is also going down as well. You can see that right here. And this is from the Bitcoin balance on exchanges. And you can see that this is going down. Sure, we had a bit of a peak here, but this was because of tax harvesting. And a lot of corporations were buying back the Bitty, guys. So that's nothing to worry about. And if we look at the Bitcoin monthly returns, we can still see that January was still pretty positive, guys. So let's jump into some more stuff, guys, and let you get out of here. Guys. So this is from Tech Dev, and he's saying that we should see a $300,000 to $200,000 Bitcoin coming in because he believes that we are following the 1970 gold fractal in the house, guys. So this is bullish news in the house, guys. So let's take a look at the Dogecoin in the house right now. So Dogecoin right now, as we can see it, is at 1733, and we're just about to break out of this descending triangle. So this is pretty good news in the house, guys. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. Bitcoin on the weekly is also, it's just started to form the first candle of the new year, and we got 6 days and 23 hours. Unfortunately, it's still negative, but I believe we're going to be starting to turn green soon, guys. And right now, Bitcoin is trading at a healthy $47,087 in the house, guys. So you can see this is Bitcoin on the daily chart. We have some overhead resistance right here at 52,000, and we've got support at 46,000 and about $46,000 in the house. So I think we're going to see some range boundness, and I think that we're going to be breaking out of this trend, this trend probably around the 8th or 18th of January. So you can see that Bitcoin's been here before, consolidated, higher lows, consolidated higher lows, and then we had a massive run to the upside. And we're seeing the same thing here, seeing a little bit of consolidation, and that's pretty normal, guys. So do not panic in the house. It's absolutely a great time to be alive. So if we look at Ethereum right now, Ethereum is also kind of range bound. Did pick up a little bit today, and you can see that Ethereum is now trading at $3,807 in the house. Let's get it, guys. Let's absolutely get it. And we're seeing that Phantom right now is looking pretty good. It's at $2.43. It's giving back some profit right now, but Phantom, we have some huge support around about this area. This is a support area here. Let me just turn that green for you so we can see this support area. So Phantom is still bouncing off the support, and I believe that we're going to see Phantom probably going up to $3 very soon, guys. Our next level of resistance is going to be about $2.80, guys. So let me just put that in for you. So $2.80 is our next level of resistance, and I think that we're going to be able to blow past that pretty soon. And then we have some light resistance around about this level here, and this is just light resistance, and this light resistance is around about 260 in the house, guys, and this is just light resistance. So let's make that light resistance with a dash line, guys. So I think we're going to get up there. We're going to get past there. Phantom is looking good in the house right now. So let's take a look at Solana. Solana in the house is being supported by this $170 support line, and we have this trending descending wedge here, and we need Solana to break out of that. It's attempted to break out right now, and Solana is at $175. So it's looking pretty good in the house, guys. Overall, things are looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the total markets right now. Let me just give this a minty refresh. Make sure you've got all the updated information out there. So I'm going to accept these cookies right now. We're seeing that right now the total market cap is at $2.31 trillion. The volume is still pretty light. A lot of people are still in holiday mode. It's still Sunday in the U.S., Sunday evening in the U.S., and it's a Monday morning in Asia. So the markets are just about to open in another about 30 minutes or so. So we should start to see some movement. We're seeing Bitcoin dominance is dropping as well. So let's just start to create and start the pump for the absolutely for the altcoins should start happening soon, guys. So let's take a look right now. You can see that Bitcoin right now is at 47,000. It's down about almost 1%. We're seeing that Ethereum right now is at 3,800, and that's up 1.46%. And that is also partially being fueled by the Bitcoin dominance coming down. Seeing BNB is up almost 1%. It's at 530 right now. Solana is down at 1.81%. We're seeing Cardano is up as well at $1.37. We're seeing Luna is down 2.27%. We're seeing DOT is going crazy. DOT is going to the moon, and it's up 6.44%, which is defying the market because the market is down about 0.2% right now. And we're seeing that the Avalanche is also up for the hour, but it's down overall the last 24 hours. We're seeing Doge is up as well. Doge at 17.3. We're seeing Shiba Inu right now is also down. Matic is down as well. And we're seeing a bit of a mixed bag, guys. So I wouldn't worry about it too much in the house, guys. You're going to see some really cool things happening very soon, guys. So don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. We got some huge cool stuff on Twitter. Follow. You know you want it. I want it. Let's get it, guys. follow on Twitter. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes. I love it. You love it. Get ready, guys. Get ready because January 8th is coming. Don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Check out the merch. We got mugs. We got cups. We got all sorts of cool stuff. Get the merch, guys. And don't forget to go and check the Wifey channel. You know you want to get it. Go and check the wife's channel and subscribe over there, guys. I love it. So I'll see you in the next one. This is just a short one. God bless each and every one. I love you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Woo!